Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we'll be talking about ActiveCollab, which is very nice project management software. So we will go through pros and cons. I'll tell you more about the ActiveCollab as it is, and we'll go to pricing as well, so you can see what is it all about. And also then we jump in our ActiveCollab account and I'll show you around. So what is ActiveCollab? ActiveCollab is a project management tool. It allows users to organize their entire work, including tasks, communication, team members, and files with a single app. The collaboration features and a centralized communication makes for quicker messaging, comments, feedback, and file sharing without the need for scattered emails. Meetings, tasks, and statuses can be viewed at a glance by every authorized personnel. The tool also lets users track times for the team members and use the data to evaluate and estimate timelines. Invoices can be created according to the tracked times for accurate billing. Users can also add branding using the invoice designer and send it directly from ActiveCollab. Payment gateway and recurring invoices can be set up as well. Payments can be tracked with statuses such as unsent, sent, partially paid, or paid. Integration with QuickBooks and Xero enables them to use ActiveCollab time records to generate invoices, like at all. It's made for small, medium, and large businesses as well. And support works greatly. I have to say they are really doing a perfect job by support. With pricing, we go for a free for personal use or professionals getting started with smaller projects, as you can see, limited to the 3 seats included in the plan. Then Plus for smaller teams that need a platform for collaboration and managing projects, limited to the 3 seats including in the plan. It's $750 annual billing or $9 if you go monthly. And then Pro for larger teams, companies that needs overview the entire business and workflow in one place, built per member. So $625 is per member a month. So this is per 3 users a month, and this is per 1 person a month. So you can see there's a significant increase in spending. So easily you can get a free or free demo or just get started, where you enter your email and then you'll ask to create a password. I already created mine. Let's go like this. Other than that, you can just log in by your Google account. Oh, this is not working somehow, so let's use it like this. This should work. Or okay, sign up with Google. That's the fastest way. I don't know why it's not started, but let's start a new trial. Because I created it, then I had to go and it logged me off and I can't really get back. So I already created the account. I don't know why it's asking all the questions, but let's just rewrite it. Or check the email. Yeah, and we are in here. We can go by learn from sample projects. Yeah, let's try and let's do that. We can add a sample project. So we have all the projects in here. Those are created by ActiveCollab, and I already have to say I like it more than, for example, a Replicon, which is a similar basically planning software, but this one I really like. You have recurring processes that you can view, but what we want to do, we want to create our own. So we want to go into top right corner and click on new project. Here, let's enter the project name, tutorial, and the description is ActiveCollab tutorial. Straight away, we can create a project. As you can see, we have one member, which is me, also being in charge of this project. You can choose leader, which will get this really nice crown, who will be able to manage this project. If we want to invite more people into our project, that being our employees or co-workers, we can easily do it by just pressing an email here. Or if the person is already a member of ActiveCollab group, we can just go by a name. Then we can also add our client. We can set them right, for example, just to see what he is meant to be seen. But straight away, let's not go there and take me to the project. As you can see, name is all set up. Add a first task to this project. Let's go with creating tutorial, and straight away we can write down the description about what is meant to be inside of this this task, and so on and so on and so on. Then we can go and add files, which is a really great option. And subscribers, you basically in subscribers see who else is participating on this list. Then we have tasks list, assignees, new. You can go and set till February 2nd, labels, time estimation, and that's it. We can add task to this list, but we don't actually really have to. We are good with just the tutorial, as you can see. We have discussion. If there's more of us inside of this tutorial group or tutorial project, we can have a discussion. We don't have to talk by phone or Zoom or whatever. We can just have a chat in here to talk about it. Then, obviously, files that we need to upload, or it's already uploaded by our employees and we just have to review it. Notes, time, expenses, and also the activity. In activity, you can see the whole life cycle of this task. Then we have my work and my tasks that I can go with. We can add a task, add a time record, or add availability record. Let's add task and creating tutorial and add task. And that's it. We can just create a new one, but this should be it. We see that we can write down the description, and we can't really, and add task. That's about it. So in tutorials, we have our tasks list, and if we are done, we just scratched it in, and we have no more tasks to do. Then we have activity, what we just did, or what did the employees or the activities already created by ActiveCollab. But this is what's important for us, our activities. Then obviously we have a calendar, the people where we can easily invite them. For example, my other account, like this one. What will be their role in the system? Basically, you are giving them all the rights. So member or owner, let's go with owner, with member. And then unlimited clients, basically if you go with a client, you'll have to choose the company on which task he can review and then send invitations. And as you can see, invited by just now, not logged in yet. Then invoices, where we can just create a new one. That's pretty it's pretty simple. For example, who's the invoice for? We can go with company, the address. We can change the currency, obviously, and so on and so on. We will go through those in our videos that we are going to focus on each and every step of ActiveCollab. I think that's going to be great. Estimates, workload, and then timesheet. Workload is pretty nice. It's like advanced calendar where you can address people their work, and also the timesheet as well. Then we have add-ons, which is a great way to basically increase the effectiveness of ActiveCollab and basically every single time management software, where you can integrate them through Zapier or Automate.io with other more and more apps. And that's about it, guys. If you have more questions about this beginner's guide, please leave that underneath this video and I'll try to answer them. And up until then, thanks for watching, consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, guys.